July 23, 1967, Sunday, 3:45 a.m. The air was hot, humid. Detroit wasn't sleeping that night. The steam rising from the asphalt wasn't just the summer heat. It was a warning of a coming catastrophe. From the outside, this was the Motor City, the automobile capital of the world, the showcase of the Great Society. But behind the showroom glass, something was rotting. Systemic racism, unemployment, and police brutality. The city was a tinderbox, and every fire starts with a single spark. Police raided an unlicensed bar, a Blind Pig, on 12th Street. It was a welcome home party for 2 Vietnam veterans.
This is the police! Open up!
They tried to arrest 82 people. The neighborhood poured onto the streets. First there was shouting, then the moment came. A single beer bottle arcing through the air and shattering against a police cruiser. That was the point of no return. This wasn't an arrest anymore. It was an insurrection. By dawn, 12th Street hadn't turned into a battlefield yet. It had turned into a bizarre carnival. Windows were smashed, appliances hauled away. Look closely at the footage. The looters weren't just angry youths. Black and white residents, families, looting side by side. Authority had completely evaporated. But as the sun rose, the carnival turned into a nightmare. Buildings were torch-lit. Firefighters were stoned by the mob as they tried to save homes. Thousands of innocent residents were trapped, watching their city burn from behind drawn curtains. Governor George Romney called Washington, "The city has been lost." The police radio crackled with a terrifying admission. It's not ours anymore. Within 48 hours, Detroit ceased to be an American city. It became an occupied zone. President Johnson sent in the troops. The 82nd and 101st Airborne, elite commandos fresh from the jungles of Vietnam, were now pointing rifles at their own citizens. Tanks rolled down Michigan avenues. Martial law was declared. But the soldiers' biggest fear was the unseen enemy. Rumors of snipers on the rooftops created a wave of paranoia. Every window looked like a threat, every shadow an enemy, and this paranoia would cost innocent lives. The darkest moment came at the Algiers Motel. Police and guardsmen, hunting for snipers, stormed the annex and executed 3 black teenagers. Law and order had been suspended. When the smoke cleared 5 days later, the toll read like a war report. 43 dead, 1,189 injured, over 7,000 arrests, 2,500 businesses destroyed. The Kerner Commission, established to investigate the riots, delivered a brutal truth in their final report. The culprit wasn't just outside agitators. It was white racism. Their famous conclusion echoed through history. Our nation is moving toward 2 societies, one black, one white, separate and unequal. The summer of '67 changed Detroit's soul. White flight accelerated. Capital fled the city. Walk the streets of Detroit today, and you can still see empty lots where buildings burned that night. History isn't just written in books, it's hidden in the ashes beneath the asphalt. This is Dream American 27. Don't forget to subscribe for more untold stories from the American century.